Manipulating Sounds, Word Building from the Axelson Academy, Reading Foundational Skills, Standard 2E. Add or substitute individual sounds, phonemes, in simple one-syllable words to make new words. Standard 3D. Distinguish between similarly spelled words by identifying the sounds of the letters that differ. By the end of kindergarten, children need to be able to confidently manipulate CVC words. This means you need to be able to give students a simple CVC word and have them change the word to make new words. They do this by manipulating the first, middle, and final letters of the word. Begin by giving them a word like cat, and ask them to please make that word into the word mat. They must isolate the first phoneme and know the symbol, the letter needed to make the m sound. So cat becomes mat. Then you ask students to please take mat and make it into map. You change the last phoneme by substituting in the letter P. Progressively getting more difficult, isolate the middle sound, changing map into mop. This is more challenging than just changing the beginning or ending sound. Eventually, you want to get to a progression such as this, manipulating the beginning, ending, and middle sounds, all in one word-building sequence. Building up to this, you begin by having students just work with the initial sound and letter. You give the students a word such as cat. Cat becomes mat, becomes pat, becomes sat. Then you will move to address the final consonant. You would start with cat, change it to cap, change it to can, change it to cab. Finally, you move to changing the middle sound in a progression of words. Usually this works best with pairs of words. Cat becomes cot, bid becomes bad. Before beginning an activity such as this, you would have been manipulating sounds auditorily. This adds in the sound-symbol connection. Magnetic letters work well for this activity. Many teachers have students use magnetic letters with cookie sheets as a literacy center. Patricia Cunningham's Making Words series of books provides lists of word sequences that build on one another. This is a valuable resource for this activity. This has been Manipulating Sounds, Word Building from the Axelson Academy.